Hi, I'm Sandy Thompson of Marsh Brothers Aviation. I want to talk about the Aerostar hydraulic accumulator today. This is the Hydrodyne. The York is very similar. It's just a little bigger in diameter. Anyway, this has a piston in it. The OEM piston is aluminum. It has 2 O-rings and backup rings and a rider ring to keep the heavy metal piston from contacting the cylinder and scratching it. So what we've done basically is we improved the seal arrangement by making a piston out of AeroTough and making the seals out of Thorflex. Now the seals only seal one way. One seal seals the hydraulic fluid, and the other seal seals the nitrogen gas. This is the nitrogen end of the cylinder. It has a no ring on it and a backup ring. That just basically does up the accumulator like that. So to fit this piston, we used to use a piece of shim stock like that and wrap it around to compress the lips. It didn't work all that well. So our guys came up with a magic answer, and we're going to call this the shoehorn. So you put the shoehorn in like that. Then you push the piston in through there. That'll compress the lips, push it all the way in, then take this out and send it back to us, or put it on your mantelpiece if you want to. Now once you have the accumulator installed back in the aircraft, of course there's no hydraulic fluid in it. You're going to pressurize it with nitrogen through this end to 500 psi. Then you're going to turn on the aux hydraulic pump or start the airplane up, and that's going to push hydraulic fluid in through here. It's going to drive the piston down to somewhere around the middle. And then the piston will travel back and forth just like a spring. That's essentially what an accumulator is. It's a spring. These seals the piston shouldn't wear the cylinder, and the seals should not leak. And I would think that this piston in this cylinder lasts the life of the airplane, at least as long as you own it.